Now, Tobu also provides a way for you to auto forward resumes you receive via email to jobs directly. And so that you can do using the auto forwarding option from the jobs section. You simply click on auto forward. And when this is useful is in a scenario like this, where let's say there's a job board that you're using and they send you resumes via emails. Now, typically, when you receive an application on that job board, it would send it to you in some format like this. Let's say the subject contains you've just received an application from person ABC for the position software engineer. So now all emails would contain the same format. So it would contain software engineer in the subject itself. So you simply type in software engineer. So please remember that this has to be an exact match of what is mentioned in that subject. And then let's say the job board that is sending you the email is from the email ID abc@linkedin.com. So you simply put the text that follows at the rate. So let's say it is abc@linkedin.com. You simply put linkedin.com. So this is the from email from where it has come. Simply follow the @ and paste that content. And now you simply choose the job to which you want the resume to be forwarded within Tobu. And that's it. You simply save the auto forwarding rule. And now any resume that comes via email from linkedin.com with a subject that contains software engineer will be forwarded to the software engineer job within Tobu.